Hello ladies, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're ready for another slay. You already know what to do. Like, share, and comment. Hit that notification bell so you'll know when I upload. So let's get started. For this client, we did a signature silk press plus gray coverage. For my blowouts, I do like to use the leave-in conditioner, the Curl Rejuvenator from the Toya Rey brand. It's super hydrating and it's also a heat protectant. It's very lightweight and that's why I love it for my silk presses. It contains ingredients like keratin protein to help with manageability and frizz, marula oil, which is a very lightweight oil and it also decreases water loss, rose oil, which is high in antioxidants like vitamin C and A. So overall, it's a very good lightweight moisturizing leave-in conditioner. I don't know about you, but over here we like our silk presses sleek and bouncy, so liquid leave-ins are going to always be my go-to. You ladies already know I like to use a couple of drops of my liquid gold, that herbal hair growth oil. It features 7 organic herbs to help promote hair growth. It's an excellent sealant, and the main carrier oil in this oil is the Moroccan argan oil. Argan oil is a very natural heat protectant as well. She's going to receive a lot of benefits from this oil. Just keep in mind that there's more than one ways to use hair growth oils. You don't always have to apply them to your scalp. You can put them in your conditioners when you're doing your deep conditioners. You can use a couple of drops of them depending on what type of oils are used. Some oils are natural heat protectants like argan oil. It can serve as a heat protectant, but you don't want to go too heavy on it. Once I get all of those things massaged into her hair, I'll go ahead and proceed with the blowout. For your blowout, ladies, keep in mind that you always want to make sure that you're not just blow drying the hair to get it dry, but you're blow drying the hair to get it dry and straight. We want to do the minimum work with our flat iron. Your flat iron should be used as a tool for finishing. The hair should already be 90% straight before you put a flat iron to it. So all of the products that I mentioned earlier in the video are available on my website right now. We have an amazing Memorial Day sale going on this weekend. The sale ends Sunday at midnight. So go ahead, go to www.toyaray.com, check it out, grab your hair care products, grab your skincare products. You're going to love them, I promise you. Make sure you get your scalp detox scrub. Make sure you grab your leave-in conditioner. We have a curl defining foam, which is excellent. Absolutely love it. We have some awesome fragrances for skincare, body butters, body oils, sugar scrubs for the body. So definitely make sure you check out my website this weekend. It's a savings up to 40% off. So for her gray coverage, we went with a dark chocolate brown, a level 5 brown, and I just love this level 5 brown on her skin tone. Like, it just goes so well with her chocolate skin tone. Today's purpose was, like I said, gray coverage. We previously did another color section on her when we did a beautiful fade from her gray into a chocolate brown and then into a golden copper, and I'll link that video up above and you can go back and watch that. That color was bomb. She was embracing her gray, so she wanted me to leave her gray and do a nice fade into that chocolate, into that copper. So please make sure you go ahead and check out that video after you watch this one. You're gonna love it. It actually gave her a very nice grow out, which I loved about it, but this time she wanted no gray in sight, so full coverage for the gray. So for her press, my irons are on, my mini iron is on 450, but my larger flat iron, my Babyliss Pro, is on 400. When you get that blowout together and it's done correctly, you can use lower temps. Like, everyone does not have to be silk pressed on 450. Depending on the texture of hair, you can do between 400, 450, and if they want more texture in their hair, you can go even lower than 400. So it's all about knowing your client's hair and what it can withstand, and also learning what the different textures of hair and curl patterns can withstand as well. And also the hair health plays a factor in that as well. So you want to keep all of those things in mind when you're doing silk pressing for your client. Do y'all see this gorgeous color? Is just bomb. So now we're going to get into curls for her. These are my signature curls. She wanted them a little tighter, so I'm going to always reach for my Babyliss Pro 1 inch. It gets the job done.
Chemistry. Chemistry. That chemistry. There's a way into my. There's a way into my heart. Chemistry.
Like, do y'all see this shine on her hair? That is nothing but good, high quality products. I'm gonna say it again. It's nothing but good, high quality products from Toya Rey. Did you hear that? From the Toya Rey brand. That's my leave-in conditioner. That's my herbal hair growth oil doing what it's supposed to do. Protecting the hair, making it more manageable, cutting down on the frizz, giving it a nice sleek look, adding moisture. Her color looks amazing. Hair health, amazing. Curls popping, as you saw in the beginning of the video. And look at that bounce. It's lightweight. It's not heavy at all. It's exactly what you want in a silk press. Go ahead, head to my website right now and go ahead and get your products. Put them in the cart, add to cart, and check out. As always, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you guys tuning in to another video. There's absolutely no code needed. The items are already marked down on the website. Make sure you like and subscribe if you haven't done so already. And until next time, ladies, I'll catch you in the next one.
Chemistry.